Welcome to Tessellations, where we serve you GIS in small bites. In this video, we will be covering how to debug ArcGIS web builder widgets using Chrome developer tools. I am excited to walk you through this process. With that said, let's get started. Open the web app in Web App Builder Developers Edition. We can see a widget named Group Filter here. Let us open this and filter by owner name. I will select an owner and click on Apply. We see that the features on map are displayed based on the selection in the filter. Now, we will see how to debug this widget by stopping the code flow and inspecting variables in runtime using Chrome Developer Tools. To do that, as the app ID equal to 3, we will navigate into the folder. It would be under Server, Apps and 3. I will bring this into Visual Studio. I will drag and drop. So, to stop the code execution, all we need to add is a line called debugger. I will go ahead and add that. So this is the method which gets called on click of apply in the widget. That's it. We are done. So now let us reload the page to make these changes effective. And I will go ahead and click on F12, which opens the Chrome Developer Tools window. Let us redo the group filter functionality. Select an owner name and click on apply. As we can see, the execution got stopped. And this debugger is not an actual breakpoint. As we can see, there are no breakpoints here. Let us keep a breakpoint. We can see a breakpoint got added here. Let's see what Chrome provides developers in run and debug mode. We have these windows which are super helpful in debugging. Scope window lets us inspect local and global variables in runtime. And coming to the watch window, it will help us to search and watch a particular variable or object data. We can delete this. And coming to the debugger and breakpoints window, it will show the list of breakpoints which you have kept in the code. And onto the call stack, this will show the code flow from which method the current method is called and vice versa. Also apart from this, there are few more functionalities which Chrome provides. So to step to the next line, we can click on F10. I will go ahead and do that. So if you want to step inside any method, for suppose here apply layer filter. If you want to step inside this method, we can click on step into. So as you can see, the controller has moved and we can see update in call stack. Apply filter is calling apply layer filter method. And to step out of the function, we can click on step out or shift F11. We got out of the function. Also we have step F9 and also disabling breakpoints. So Chrome provides these all functionalities. These are extra functionalities. This is a pause on exception. So to continue the process, we can click on resume or F8. So this is how we can debug the ArcGIS web builder widgets using Chrome developer tools. Hope you have learned some new stuff watching this video. This has been Tessellations, where we serve you GIS in small bites. Thank you for watching and please be sure to visit us at www.tessellations.us. Also, subscribe and ring that bell.